Folks, again a very short one, a small upgrade on the automatic tool changer from the H3000, a little bit older machines from Cnc. The new machines can have that upgrade right away. Have a look what I will do. If you remember the automatic tool changer, what will take the parts through the hole of those adapters, like this. This will be like this, and it will be tiered up, so it doesn't give any problems for small mills, of course. But if you want to put a bigger mill in, you can't pass this hole. A few mills are very interesting and a little bit too big. So what I will do, if you look very well, this is an example of that mill, a typical mill to flat out your wasteboard, for example. This mill fits just through it. That's too narrow. It's too risky if the tool changer will tear this through your hole of the tool keeper. So what I do is, for the older machines, I mill this a little bit bigger. There's no reason not to do this. If you look, this will be positioned in this way, tiered through this way, so I have enough meat here to have a very nice shoulder that this will never fall through. So why not increasing that dimension? That's what I do here. Have a look. This is an old one, not milled. That is too narrow, as you can see. And this is already milled a little bit bigger. Have a look. I don't know if you can see this very well. I have now space enough to get this through. That will never be an issue. I'm going to show you right away how I do it. And if you want that, your order can do it by yourself. If you have the machine order, give me a call. So this is the end result. As you can see, this hole is a little bit smaller. The mill, what I was talking about, can almost not pass through this hole, too narrow. And here, of course, easily you have space enough to tear that through that hole. By the way, this is a rack of 8 tools instead of 5 tools. It's also a small upgrade from Cnc. It doesn't cost a lot more, and it is more than worth it. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.